Struggling to eat healthier without feeling deprived? Today, I'm sharing 5 easy ways to make nutritious choices every day that actually taste great and are easy to follow. Hi, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Anjali, and I love helping busy women eat healthier without feeling like they're on a strict diet. Eating well does not have to be complicated or boring. Small, consistent changes can make the biggest difference. Today, I will share 5 practical tips you can start using today to feel better, have more energy, and actually start enjoying your food. Tip number 1, you might have heard this all the time, but it is really true. It's just to focus on whole food. Fruits, veggies, whole grains, nuts, beans, seeds, and lean proteins. These are all packed with nutrients that your body needs, and adding more of these into your day automatically makes you healthier. You might have heard the trick about sticking to the perimeter of the grocery store when you're grocery shopping. And that's mostly true because that's where the produce, dairy, and proteins typically are, which makes it easier to avoid processed foods and stock up on healthier options. But don't discount the middle of the grocery store as well, which is where a lot of bulk items are, so you can get healthy options for cheap, as well as frozen fruits and vegetables, which can be way cheaper and just as nutritious as their fresh counterparts. Tip number 2, plan your meals. You've probably also heard this tip a million times before, but trust me, planning your meals can be a game changer. It does not have to be fancy, it does not have to be complicated. You just need a rough outline for what you're going to eat every week. Even prepping a few meals ahead of time can really save you time and prevent you from grabbing unhealthy snacks when you're really hungry. For example, you can roast some veggies, cook some grains, and prepare your favorite lean protein, whether that's a plant protein like beans or just a lean, healthy protein like chicken or fish. If you have those components ready to go in the fridge, you can have healthy, ready to go meals all week long. Tip number 3 is portion control. And when I say portion control, I don't mean measure every single thing you're eating. A good guideline is to fill half of your plate with vegetables and then divide the other half, a quarter protein, a quarter grains. And that pretty much will get you a healthy plate every time. And when I say grains, I mean complex carbs. So you want whole grains, not refined white grains. And portion control can apply to snacks and dessert as well. So when you're thinking snacks, think about like just a small handful of whatever it is you're eating. And when you're thinking dessert, think about something that's about the size of like a fun size Snickers bar, because that's about the portion that you want to be eating for dessert. Tip number 4, eat mindfully. Now, what do I mean by that? I mean, just slow down. Most of the time, we're eating way too fast. We're on the go, we're standing up while we're eating while we're working. And all these things can make us a little bit disconnected from our food. So we don't really enjoy or pay attention to what we're actually eating. This can make it harder to pay attention to hunger cues and know when you're actually full and satisfied. So instead, carve out 15 minutes in a day when you're going to be eating, at least 15 minutes. If you can afford more time is always better. And disconnect from electronic devices, from standing up, sit down, have your meal with a book, or if you are eating with somebody else, have a nice conversation. And just try to be mindful of how your body feels and when you're actually feeling full. This can even help improve your digestion of your food and leave you feeling a lot more satisfied. And tip number 5, hydrate and snack smart. Now, I think everybody is staying pretty well hydrated. I mean, everyone has a water bottle these days, but really, hydration is the key to knowing when you're actually hungry, because sometimes when you're feeling hungry, you're actually thirsty. So I always recommend, just if you're not already, carrying around a water bottle, taking small sips throughout the day, and aiming for at least 64 ounces of water a day. So that's like 8 cups of water a day. Drinking water not only provides the benefit of being hydrated, but it helps support energy and digestion. And when it comes to snacks, my biggest tip is to pick something that basically is like one word, like a fruit or a vegetable, and then pairing that with something that's a protein. So veggies and hummus, fruit and nuts, or apples and peanut butter, Greek yogurt and fruit. These are all whole food protein pairings that will help keep you full and are healthy options that require no prep. Overall, I just want healthy eating to be enjoyable for you. So, whatever that means for you, make it happen when you're eating, because it will make you more likely to stick with a healthy diet overall. So, those are my 5 tips. Focus on whole foods, plan your meals, mind your portions, eat mindfully, hydrate, and snack smart. And overall, your goal should just be to make healthy eating enjoyable. I hope this helps if you're just getting started eating a little bit healthier. Making one small incremental change into your day can really make a big difference. So I recommend just starting there. You don't have to change every single meal all at once. Pick one meal and try to apply one of the tips that I mentioned in this video. And if you like this video and you want more healthy eating tips, recipes, and lifestyle advice, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below because I respond to every single question I get.